Technology has progressed over the years. All of our instruments still have a handcrafted component, and the attention to detail is absolutely amazing.
I've been RN for 32 years, been in the OR for 30. V. Mueller is one of the first names that I became aware of, and is a name that's been around for a long time, and those of us that have been around for a long time ourselves have always trusted V. Mueller.
Quality is an assurance to know that once that instrument is in your hands, it's going to perform up to the standards we stand behind.
For me, the most important thing is precision. When I go to pass the needle through the tissue, I need for the needle not to move. And when the instruments are precise, when I am smoothly sewing with a needle driver that just hums with me, that's joyful.
95% of my instruments are V. Mueller. I like the company all the way around. If I order something, I know I can get it the next week.
Quality is something you have to have out front. Quality of your character, quality of the product, quality of the Mueller reputation. If you don't take that in every time and believe it, then I think it's probably time to hit the road, because quality is what this place is made of.
To me, there's quality in service as well as a tangible product. And I think that service comes from listening to our customers and understanding what their needs are.
We have several surgeon advisory boards that we work very, very closely with and try to capture what some of their challenges are.
I always say that you can never inspect quality into a part, you got to build quality in the part. These people that are putting together these instruments are the best in the business.
V. Mueller is a 100-plus-year-old company and maintains a manufacturing presence in the United States.
Our quality, it stems from our pride in what we do. They save lives.
This is a skill that's not taught as much as it is learned through time.
It's not a job where you push a button and a machine does it for you. You have to do it yourself.
I always say what we do here, it's more like art.
Some of the subtlety of the instrument and its design and shape is what's really important. It's the smallest of things, whether it be the shape of a jaw or the way a ratchet design's been implemented or the feel of a handle. These small things make very big differences in the eyes, minds, and hands of our surgeons.
As laparoscopic surgeons, our instruments essentially extend our hands. If you have something that extends your hands, it needs to really replicate the functionality that you would have in your hands. That's difficult to find and takes a long time to fine-tune.
Snowden-Pencer invented the tungsten carbide insert process. Once the tungsten carbide insert was introduced into the needle holders and tissue forceps, it enabled a grasping technique that was superior than what was ever before that.
Whenever a new product comes out for the customer, they're gonna know that it's up to those same standards of the instruments they've been using for, 100 years. With that, they're getting the newer technology, the more innovative stuff, but with the same quality, designed to the same standards that they've been used to.
There are some unique processes, the heat treating of instruments and the way we actually fuse and bond tungsten carbide inserts into the jaws of our instruments. But at the end of the day, I think the outcome is still heavily dependent on, the person that stands behind the instrument. So.
We give the best to our customers by doing evaluation of the raw material, the microstructure evaluation, and I can assure my customers that what they're getting in their hands are a good product.
There's actually a little rule of thumb that everyone in the department, I think, uses, the rule of mom. You would never release anything that you wouldn't want used on your own mother. And I think everyone goes by that, and it makes it easy. It makes the decisions very easy.
We've been doing this for 110 years, 115 years now, so we got this thing pretty much down pat.